Hi, today I'm running Hotwav T5 Pro and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings and then just tap to this sound section. Scroll down and find default notification sound and switch your currently sound to one from the available sounds. I'll adjust first. Maybe. Okay, maybe the don't disturb mode it's turned off. So by this way you could see all of the sounds on your device and you could just select one from them, then just tap to OK to save the changes. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.